So let's select our feature layer, hit the blue plus, select the building corner and the 3 dots offset, and make sure it's on range. So from the measurement method, range, and then just follow the steps. So step number 1 is log GNSS control point 1. That's going to be right here. Make sure your pole's bubbled up. Then hit start to average 5 positions. Once that's done, next button is activated. You can press that, and step 2 is fire at target. So I'm going to power on my laser, just tapping on the fire button. And then I'm going to aim and shoot at the building corner. And remember where you shot it the first time, because the second time you want to try to shoot in the exact same spot. So aim it and then press and hold the fire button. So you get a reading. We've got our values populated in here. Notice except for the azimuth field, because this doesn't have a compass to measure the azimuth. So hit next, and then we need our second control point. So let's go over here, and we'll go just on the other side of the tree. And it doesn't matter where I'm at. We're going to log this point with the RTK again. So just pick a spot and bubble up. A spot that you can see the target, of course. So I bubbled up. I'm going to hit start to record my second control point. Once that's done, I hit next. And I'm going to fire the target again. I'm going to try to hit it in the same exact spot as best as I can from here. All right, and now we've got values populated here. We can hit next, and we need to choose a solution. So since we've shot it from 2 places, there's 2 possible solutions, one either on this side of this control point line or on that side. You can use the map to determine that. So for example, here, I know that that road is in between me and the my point. So I want point 2. So I select that up here where it says point 2, make sure it's green, and then I hit send to send that to field maps.